back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today I'm installing a wig that I got from Unice. This is their EasiContour Afro Kinky Curly V-part wig in 180 density, and it is 16 inches. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. You can see the V-part with the clips. There are combs on each side of the wig as well as the back of the wig, and it comes with that strap. And it's on a dome cap, as you can see, and it has that non-slip grip going around the perimeter of the wig. And then that's just the other comb. And then this is the drawstring in the wig that makes sure that the wig can fit snug on your head. Definitely love a good drawstring. And yeah, this curl pattern is super pretty. Right now I'm just showing you a few of the goodies that come in the box. And so yeah, if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So V-part wigs are really some of my favorite wigs to install because it's super simple. The first thing you got to do here is cut this little piece that holds the front together. And then your leave out underneath the wig is completely up to you. I decided to, well, I didn't decide. My hair was already in these braids going straight back, so I decided to just keep them like that. And I'm just using this edge booster to slick back my edges a little bit, just so that it can look a little bit neater. And now I'm just taking that elastic band off of the wig. For me personally, all of the clips and combs that they have in here is enough for it to stay on. So that elastic band is just something extra that I don't really need. So now I'm just going to slide it on my head. So sliding on your head is just completely, it really depends on the type of braid pattern you have, or like the way you decided to do your hair underneath the wig. But ultimately all you're going to do is just adjust the combs. And make sure they're fitting into your hair comfortably. That's the important part. Just make sure they're not snagging on anything, and make sure that nothing is too tight, nothing is too loose. You just want to just adjust them around to whatever feels comfortable for you. So for the first part of this, I wanted to try doing this without any leave out. So this is what it's looking like so far after I just put it on my head. You can see how the wig is fitting behind my ears. On each side, so I like that it has the cutouts. And then this is me just pulling that little drawstring in the back to make sure it fits snug, but the wig already fit pretty snug, so luckily I didn't have to pull the drawstring too tight, or maybe my head is just big. But yeah, so this is what the curl pattern is looking like with no product or anything like that fresh out of the box. And honestly, I could have rocked it like this with just pulling them apart, but you know me, I gotta be a little extra. So I'm gonna get my water, and I section the hair off because the hair is super thick, so I just section it off into 4 different sections. I'm drenching it with this water, and then I'm going in with this curling cream that I got from Cream of Nature. And honestly, the only reason why I'm using this is because I ran out of my mousse, because typically I would just use mousse, but the curling cream works too. But this is my good product. I don't want to waste it on no wig, no. But yeah, so I'm gonna put that on there, and then I'm taking my brush and just brushing it through until the curls are as defined as I want them to be. After I've done that to both sides, I'm taking my blow dryer and my diffuser tip, and I'm going to diffuse the hair only because it's super drenched, and I want the like afro look. I want it poofy. I don't want to wear it like super wet like this. You can, that's completely up to you. I'll show you what it looks like both ways. But for me, I felt like it would look a little bit better, fluffier, especially since I'm not doing any leave out. I want it to look more natural. And then I'm just taking some scissors and cutting some layers in the front of the hair just so you can see my face, because that's definitely important. You just gotta shape it to however you want. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I think I did spray it again off camera, even though I just blow dried it, so that was kind of counterintuitive to what I was trying to do. But nonetheless, this is what it looks like when it's more wet. Now, mind you, this hair is intended to dry, but really quickly, I just wanted to show you, what the wet curl pattern looks like. You can put some mousse in it if you want to maintain this look or whatever. And then you can also see what it looks like without leave out. I try to scrunch it like towards the top so that little V part doesn't look so wide. I probably should have had my braids a little bit closer in the top so that wouldn't be as far apart, but nonetheless, it was still really cute. However, this is me the next day when the wig fully dried, and I took out some leave out this time. You can see I only left out a little bit. That's all you need, literally, is the bare minimum, because this hair blends really, really well. So the first thing I want to do is I'm taking my edge booster and I'm doing my baby hairs and my edges, because I'm like, I want this style to feel more like me. I want her to give, you know, I want it to give. So I'm just going to do my baby hairs really quickly. And then after I do my edges, I'm just going to quickly spray the hair again with some water to kind of rehydrate it. If I had mousse, I would more than likely use mousse so I can get it to hold its shape. And then I'm just taking a wide tooth comb as opposed to my brush and combing through the curls just to make the curls drop a little bit more and so that they're a little bit looser. But again, this is kinky curly Afro hair, so it is going to dry and get back poofy. But I just wanted to comb through it to define the curls a little bit so that when it did dry, the curls would dry in a defined way. And then this is what it's looking like, so you can tell the difference between the two sides, like the side that's stretched and the side on the left that's like more like an afro. They're both like afros, but one is stretched and one is not. But I'm really liking how it looks on the left side over here, like just thick and full. So I'm gonna let the hair dry and come back. Okay, so this is the final look, y'all. This is exactly what I was going for. That super natural, grew this out my scalp look, okay? Especially with a little bit of leave out at the top. I think that's exactly what I needed to pull this look together. That and the baby hairs. It really just made it look like I'm having a great freaking hair day. You know why? Because I am. I really love this hair. It's super soft. I got the typical shedding that you would expect from curly wig, so very minimal, no issues with like tangling or knotting or anything like that. So I definitely love that for me, and I think this is such a cute look, especially with like my baby hairs done and everything. It's giving everything I wanted it to give. So definitely check out this hair for yourself if you like this type of style. Again, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.